Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your project and getting the audio into VN. Import your video, then split to extract the audio so you can process it alone. Once done, make a duplicate track to preserve the original in case you need to revert. This prevents rework and preserves quality. Make sure to note sample rate differences. They affect processing. Now you have a clean workspace and an isolated audio clip to apply noise reduction and edits without altering the picture. You now apply VN's noise reduction and equalization tools to diagnose and reduce unwanted sound. Start with the noise remove function and dial strength up slowly. Aggressive settings cause artifacts. Then add a high-pass filter to cut low-frequency rumble and use a notch filter for steady hums like 50/60 Hz. Once adjusted, preview the clip at normal listening level to check speech clarity. If sibilance appears, lower reduction or apply gentle de-essing. Keep iterating until dialogue sounds natural. Finish by balancing and exporting your cleaned audio. Normalize levels and apply subtle compression to even out dynamics without squashing voice. Then export a short test clip and listen on headphones, phone speaker, and laptop to confirm consistency. If you hear artifacts, metallic or underwater sounds, reduce the noise reduction amount or revert to the copied original and try milder settings. As a last resort, re-record problematic lines. Clean audio always beats heavy processing. This ensures a professional final mix every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.